Morning, we have a steady southwest wind flow, which will continue to increase in speed, maybe become more southerly. There's plenty of warmth already in place as well as moisture. But we even get a bigger surge of moisture coming in warmth from this boundary that's set to lift in during the morning hours. And once this warm front kind of comes in, that's when you'll notice a stronger pattern of those low clouds that kind of hang a little low. They'll start to zip right along from south to north. That's an indication of a decreasingly stable atmosphere. More action in the overall wind patterns that can drive this cluster of storms to come in and push through our region. So that's going to be part of the formula behind why the PM hours are going to be a little more primed for activity compared to the morning hours. However, after that first batch goes through, probably about 10 o'clock, we'll start to see that fade out. But yet the main front is set to come in during your Sunday morning, the main cold front that is. There's still going to be enough moisture and lift by this front to spark off some more in the way of scattered showers and storms for your Sunday morning, and some of those individually could be on the strong to severe side. So there's going to be two rounds. I think Saturday afternoon is going to be the broadest coverage. Sunday morning will be more selective and more localized, kind of scattered. So if you have plans tomorrow morning, I'd say get stuff done by 11, 12 o'clock just to be certain. Or put it off until Sunday afternoon when our weather conditions will improve. For the time being, scattered occurrences of severe weather anticipated across the region, especially around and south of the Florida-Georgia line. So all the Big Bend, all the Swanee Valley in that very similar risk. We can see an upgrade in that risk going into tomorrow morning when new data comes out. Gusty winds, highest risk. Tornado risk is a step lower, but it's still there. We can even have some excessive rain that can cause some spot flooding. I don't really foresee flooding being a broad issue, but it can be somewhat of a more localized issue. There's going to be massive amounts of lightning being detected based on our projections here in our forecasting. Maybe a few spots in the morning, but then in the afternoon. That's why those festivals and things going on outside, you got to kind of wrap it up into the late morning and disassemble, because those thunderstorms will be very active when it comes to lightning, gusty winds as well. We can see those wind gusts steady and then increasing with those thunderstorms. And the last little bit we want to show you here, individual storms can form offshore in the late morning and then kind of scattered around. That's going to be the point where we can maybe see a little more of a tornado risk. It's not going to be definitely everyone getting the same type of severe weather, but we have to watch those individual thunderstorms, just like what we had in Hosford yesterday, one lone cell causing all that mess. So once all that blasts through Sunday afternoon and beyond, into much of next week, we'll have more settled weather and seasonable temperatures. We'll be right back.